Good day, ladies and gents. I hope you are doing good. Without wasting any time, we're just gonna get straight to it. So, today we're gonna be discussing what is a trading platform. Okay, so the first point here says a trading platform is a software system used to trade securities. It allows investors to open, close, and manage market positions online through a financial intermediary such as an online broker. Okay, and then the second point here says then online trading platform also frequently offered by brokers either for free or at a discount in exchange for maintaining a funded account or making a specific number of trades per month. The best trading platforms offer a mix of robust features and low prices. Okay, guys, so we're just gonna go straight to a trading platform which is called the MetaTrader 4. Let me just show you here. We have the MetaTrader 5, which is like an upgrade of the MetaTrader 4, and then we also have the MetaTrader 4, which is this one. The MetaTrader 4. So they look similar, they work similar. It's just that the other one is an upgrade of another one. Okay, so this is the MetaTrader 4. And then you also have a web trader. A web trader looks like this, but it's based on you must run it on your web browser. That's where you run your web trader on your web browser. But then the MetaTrader is an app on its own. This is what is most people commonly use, the MetaTrader 4 or the MetaTrader 5. Okay, then you're just gonna go over some basics on how to use the MetaTrader 4 and the MetaTrader 5 and how to navigate through it. Okay, so we're gonna start here on new chart. That's where you click if you want to add a new chart on here. Okay, see if I want to maybe add this US XUSD chart, let's just click on it, and the chart will be loaded when you load the new chart. Now, why it doesn't load much? Oh, this is how it does when you load a new chart. This one is offline. Alright, so and then moving on, then from new chart, we have open offline chart. Then you have your profiles. In your profiles, this is where you group a certain number uh, of instruments. Maybe let's say you want to trade maybe 7 currency pairs, not more than those, but you don't want all these others to appear when you open your market watch over here. So then you can group on the profile here, open a profile, and then you can add the number of markets that you want, and then you can never name them and save them over there. Okay, and then when you open data folder, usually this is where everything is kept, like your indicators, configurations, your templates and stuff. You see, it's where everything is kept here. You see over here, have all your indicators. So if maybe let's say somebody sends you an indicator and you want to insert it into your MT4, this is where you go. Just go right straight in here, go to data, open data folder, and then you can go, if it has its own templates, then you first copy the template, you paste the template in here, and then you go back and then you come to your MQL4, your indicators, and then that's where you paste your indicator. And then when you come into insert your indicators, your indicator will appear here somewhere on customs right here. Then you can have your indicator on your chart. Okay, then open an account. Yeah, this way you open a trading account. Okay, and then the MT4 doesn't have a trading account on its own. You have to use a broker. So here the Xness is a broker that I'm currently using, and also a Veracity which closed not so long ago. Yeah, it has some licensing issues. But then any broker that you want, maybe let's say you want to add, maybe let's say Pepperstone. You used, and let me not say Pepperstone. Let me say you also want to use Globex 360, maybe for example. Let's say at Globex 360, you have an account. You just open an account with Globex 360. You come here and then you're gonna scan the server for Globex 360. See if it appears here. You see there is Globex 360 real account, Globex 360 demo account. You see, so let's say maybe you have a real account with Globex 360, then you come here and then you click on next, and then obviously you're gonna have to have your username and your password for your Globex 360 account. There it says the server is Globex 360. You enter your username, you enter your password, and then you click on finish. Then you can be logged on to your trading account. Then you will be able to trade from there. Okay, and then moving on to view. Okay, language is obviously the language of your choice. The toolbar we are referring to this over here. This is your toolbar here. All of these your toolbar. You are able to edit your toolbar by right clicking on it and then you go to customize, and then you can add and remove whatever you want in here. Okay, you can add, remove. Maybe let's say you want to remove this thing. You see, you can remove. You see it moved away. Want to add this thing, press on asset. You see, guess what you have. It's just for editing your shortcuts over here. Okay, and then your symbols, they are referring to these indices, cryptos, stocks, forex. You have all those symbols over there, so it's up to you which one you want to choose. So since there's a lot of them, that's why you had that profile over here where you can choose your favorite over here. Maybe let's say you like oil and gold and maybe a couple of forex exchanges, then you can just add them, have your own profile instead of having everything appear there, because now it's gonna be confusing when you have everything in there. You see, yeah. So in your symbols, they are referring to the symbols that you are able to trade. Okay, and then market watch, this is where now you can see the symbols that you've added in here. There's also another way to add the symbols. You can just simply right click here. Okay, right click here, then there you have it over there. You have hide, you have hide all. If I hide all of these will disappear. If I say show all of those symbols that are available will appear, even those that ones that are not available. You see, like this one, that's why the chart didn't appear at first. It's not available. You see all these symbols that are available, currency pairs, cryptos, stocks, and all of that. But you don't want all of this, so you can just hide everything. Okay, then where were we? Okay, we market watch data window. What's happening? Data window. It mean this shows you the data that's in this chart over here. You see this of the current candle. If pointed this candle this way, they're gonna tell you the high, the open, the low of that candle, the time of that candle, and also the date. So yeah, basically that's the data window for you. And then we have our navigator. Our navigator shows us everything, just like our data folder. You see, you have your indicators over here. All your indicators, you can just drag and drop over here. You see, your indicator comes on in here as well, and it also shows the accounts that are currently have on this MT4, so it's gonna be easier for you to switch in between accounts. Expert advisor, those are your trading robots if you are using any, they also appear over there. Okay, and then where were we? On your terminal, the terminal, this way it shows your trades, current running trades, exposure, your account history. You also have your news, mailbox. These are sent to you via the metatrader, the markets. This way you can buy your indicators and your trading robots and all the stuff. See, it's that's $4,000. You also have signals which you can subscribe to. Okay, and then yeah, and then strategy tester. This is where then you can test your indicator, or you test your indicator or your trading robot. If maybe, let's say for example, I have this indicator, this brilliant reversal indicator, and I want to test on 1 hour, then I can choose the date from when I want the test to go from until when. Then when I push on start, the system is gonna insert the chart, insert the indicator, and then it's gonna show me what happened in the past. So now I can measure and see what, oh, if the market moves like this is what the indicator does. And then I can know if the indicator works or it doesn't. It's used for back testing. Okay, yeah, let's move on. Then your indicators, this one now you can these indicators, this way you go if you want to put your indicator on your chart. See, if you maybe click on this, say you see now it goes into your chart over here. This way, if you want to insert a line, vertical line, horizontal line, trend line, see, this is where you go, you get your lines over here. But you also have your lines over here as well as shortcuts on your toolbar. So some of the things that you have here is you can modify your toolbar so that you can have them there as a shortcut. Things that you insert over there, Fibonacci. These are also like studies, they call them studies, Fibonacci studies, Gantt studies and stuff. And then you also have your shapes, rectangular, triangle, and your eclipse, which is like your circle. Can also put them in there any way you want. Okay, and then yeah, these are the okay. Also have labels and text here. If you want to label your text, I mean you want to label your chart over here, you can just simply go there.